Autonomous vehicles, also known as self-driving cars, are vehicles that can travel without human intervention. These vehicles typically monitor their surroundings through radar, LiDAR, cameras, and other sensors, automatically detecting obstacles and other vehicles along the way. These technologies enable the vehicle to move on its own and safely reach its destination. Autonomous vehicles function through artificial intelligence (AI) technologies, which allow the vehicle to process and understand data from multiple sources. AI enables the vehicle to understand and act on different situations encountered on the road. The development of autonomous vehicles involves the integration of multiple technologies, including radar and LiDAR, cameras, GPS, and AI. Radar and LiDAR are used to monitor the vehicle's surroundings, with radar using electromagnetic waves to detect obstacles and LiDAR using laser beams to detect objects in the environment. Cameras are used to detect objects along the road, placed on the front, back, and sides of the vehicle. GPS is used to determine the vehicle's location and distance from its destination. AI is used to identify objects and track their movements. The term driver typically refers to a person responsible for the safe operation of a vehicle, ensuring the safety of other drivers and pedestrians. However, in recent years, autonomous vehicles or self-driving cars have been developed as a replacement for drivers. Equipped with AI and sensor technologies, autonomous vehicles can travel on their own, interact with other vehicles on the road, and travel to a specific destination. Autonomous vehicles have the potential to prevent accidents caused by human error and optimize traffic flow. They are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that can prevent high-speed collisions. Additionally, autonomous vehicles can optimize traffic flow by reducing human errors that cause traffic congestion, resulting in shorter travel times for drivers and reduced energy consumption. However, widespread adoption of autonomous vehicles raises ethical and legal issues. For example, if an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident, the question of responsibility may be disputed. Similarly, AI technology used to simulate human decision-making in autonomous vehicles must be programmed accurately and fairly. Furthermore, autonomous vehicles raise privacy and security concerns, particularly with regard to their sensors and cameras that have the potential to collect personal data. In conclusion, autonomous vehicle technology is still developing and requires further testing and research. However, autonomous vehicles have the potential to reduce traffic accidents, optimize traffic flow, and save time and energy. Nevertheless, ethical and legal issues still need to be resolved, and addressing these issues can help remove obstacles to wider adoption of autonomous vehicles. One major challenge is the ethical and legal issues surrounding autonomous vehicles. For example, in the event that an autonomous vehicle is involved in an accident, determining who is responsible may be difficult. Similarly, autonomous vehicles are equipped with artificial intelligence technology that simulates human decision-making, and it is important to ensure that this technology is programmed fairly and accurately. Additionally, there are privacy and security concerns associated with autonomous vehicles, particularly with the potential for their sensors and cameras to collect personal data. Despite these challenges, the potential benefits of autonomous vehicles and drones cannot be ignored. They have the potential to reduce traffic accidents and optimize traffic flow, saving time and energy for both drivers and the environment. They can also be used in a variety of industries, such as logistics, agriculture, and security, to increase efficiency and safety. While there is still much testing and research to be done, the development of autonomous vehicles and drones has the potential to revolutionize transportation and many other industries. Addressing the ethical and legal issues associated with these technologies will be crucial in ensuring their widespread use and realizing their full potential. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Take care of yourself.